guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. This is me saying a proper happy new year because I have not uploaded a video, guys. I've been in the middle of moving because I moved from Delta State Warri to Kaduna State and it has been so hectic, but I am finally settled, guys. I finished unpacking, arranging all my things, setting up my filming area, guys. Like, I am ready to film videos for you guys. So this video is going to be a collaboration video and it's in collaboration with Akunna. And yeah, if you guys don't know who she is, she's also a Nigerian YouTuber based in UK. Yeah, so you guys should go ahead and head over to her channel and watch her own video, and you know, hit the subscribe button, like, share. And if you are from her channel, welcome, and you are most definitely appreciated. And also please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you can know whenever I post a video, so you can come and watch it and enjoy yourself. So we decided to kind of recreate one look from each other's channel. I decided to recreate this look, which was her, I think it was her anti-Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and the video was so fun. That's like one of my favorite videos of hers, so I was like, let me recreate this one. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So guys, as per usual, I already have my brows done. I know I'm looking super white, guys. It's not my fault. Like, there's light everywhere, so it is making me look white. It's not even fair. I look white, but I'm going to try and, like, I'm still trying to work out the lighting thing so I can figure out how to best do it properly. But anyway, guys, so I'm going to use my LA Girl concealer in Cool Tan to prime my lids. Just going to apply that and then blend it out with my hands or my beauty blender, whichever one works for you. Do you, boo? So I'm going to use my brown powder to set my eyes, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender. So guys, I went ahead and did one eye off camera, and I'm going to be doing the second one now. I've already like primed my lid and set it with powder. I'm just going to go ahead and use my blending brush. I'm going to go in with my Eye Candy Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using this shade here called Zaria as my transition color. I'm just going to start off at the outer corner of my crease and then work it in. After blending that, I'm going to go in with this Morphe it's kind of like a detailed blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's like a purple brownish color in my Morphe 35W palette, and I'm just going to use it to darken my crease. After doing that, I'm going to go in with my Inglot number 77 gel liner, and I'm just going to go in very little because this thing is freaking pigmented. So I'm just going to apply it on my lid. So guys, after applying the gel liner all over my lid, I'm going to go in with my black opal eyeshadow in number 5 Onyx, and I'm going to use this brush to just apply it on my lid. I'm just applying it where I applied the gel and just taking it up a bit. After that, I'm going to go in with my Morphe palette. I'm going to go back in with this shade to blend out the edge of the eyeshadow. Guys, after blending out my eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and use this flat brush and apply the black eyeshadow underneath my eyes. I'm going to move on to my face now, and I've already primed, moisturized, prepped, whatever, my face is ready to apply foundation. I'm going to be using these two foundations. The Maybelline Fit Me in 355 Coconut and the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. To use my eye candy foundation brush, guys. It's very dirty, that's why I'm trying to hide it. So I'm just going to blend the foundation in. So guys, I'm done blending the foundation, and I don't know, it's pretty okay, but I don't know if I like how it looks because it makes me look a little orange. But I think I don't know if it is the Maybelline Fit Me or the Milani or just the two of them mixed together. I don't think it's the Maybelline because I've used the Maybelline several times, but this one I don't know what is going on. But I'm going to go ahead and highlight with my LA Girl concealer in Cool Tan. I'm going to go in with my Morphe brush to blend out the concealer. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One powder in number 11. I'm going to use that to contour my face. Going with my BH Cosmetics powder to set the rest of my face. So now that I'm done blending off my face, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. And I'm going to be applying this pair of lashes. I have no idea what brand it is, what name it is. Like, all my lashes are so mixed up right now. Apply my MAC lipstick in Shanghai Spice, and this is what it looks like. After applying that, I'm going to go in with my MAC lip gloss in Naked Spice. Naked. And here I'm going to be using my Towels Cosmetics in, I don't know, my Towels Cosmetics thing is scattered. I'm going to be using 1992. With my LA Girl setting spray.
Oh, yeah.